presentation is going to be about the payment gateway solution, QuickPay. We'll request Mr. Sahil Kumar to please join us here on the stage, CEO, QuickPay India.
Hello all, my name is Sahil Kumar and I am the CEO of QuickPay. It's an umbrella company in QuickTech Technologies. And so, good evening all. Hi. Everybody's alive? Give me a high five, guys. Come on. What's up? Good?
Hi, good evening, everybody. My name is Mohit, and I am looking after the payment gateway plus the payout solutions, QuickPay and the QT Plus, the product, two umbrella products under the roof which we have. And I'm looking after as a chief operating officer for this brand, and handing over to Sahil for the payment gateway and the payment aggregation presentation, and then about the brief neo banking platform, I'll take over from him. Thank you.
So let me ask one thing. Everybody is aware of digital payments. I think everybody is using Amazon, everybody is using Flipkart, Snapdeal, all the portals right now, correct? And so there is a layer comes after you check out from the cart, right? When you add, like, let me tell you with an example. So I need to buy a t-shirt, right? If I'm buying a t-shirt, I'm selecting a t-shirt, I'm selecting a pants, I'm selecting a pair of shoes and a pair of denims, right? So what I do, I just add 1, 2, 3 cart, and I go to the checkout page basically. Checkout page is basically the what in which you will be showing the payments options, MOPs, mode of payments. What are the mode of payments basically? It's credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, wallets, EMI, early salary, a lot of BNPL apps. So what we are right now building at QuickPay, we are building a wholesome product for the pay, the collection part. We are building a wholesome product for the payout part as well. In that case, what we are offering right now in the market, we are offering a vanilla product for payment gateway. We are offering QR code solution. We are offering payment button. We are offering payment page. We are offering payment links and the customized checkout. So let me tell you in very brief concept. So if you are having a website, and you need to integrate a payment gateway, we have a product, QuickPay Payment Gateway. That's it. So right now, let's see. So there is an event going on. So for this event, there is no website, or there could be a website or not a website, right? In that case, what we exactly offer you, you don't need to provide us a website. You just need to provide us some KYC part, and we will be creating a particular temporary website for you to collect the fees for the payments, collect the fees for that whole event. So let's say I'll talk you about the payment link part. What is payment link? So sometimes it happens that you go and buy some insurance and policies or different things. So what happens? The people call you on the phone and they just tell you that we are sending you a link of like 10,000, 20,000, whatever the premium will be. Am I clear? I think everybody has experienced that, correct? It should be an interactive session. I'm not here for the a push part only, right? So what they do, they create a link and then send it to your phone or email or WhatsApp, whatever it will be. So yes, we are offering that payment link part. It's a very, very good product. So if you're not having a website, you're not having a particularly technological system as well, you just need to have a finance guy in your team. In that case, they can push the payment link and you can get paid and get the settlement done in your bank account by the help of payment link. QR code solution. I think everybody is using UPI. So I tell you some background on that. So earlier, what happens, out of 100 payments, 70% or 60% payments have been made by credit card or debit card. Right now, what happens, it's altogether a different scenario right now. People are right now using UPI mainly. You are going to a grocery shop, you are going to a website, you are selecting PhonePe, GPay, or any other UPI app, BharatPay, anything. So yes, we have all the options right now in our kitty, be it UPI, be it CC, DC, NB, everything. These are the focus industries apart from the education sector. We are fully fledged ready, not only for the education sector, but we can cater to those industries as well, including e-commerce, travel, education, NBFCs, utility, and a lot of other options as well. Only those options which are being permitted by the RBI. We are working in particularly under the guidelines of RBI for the PAPG. So yes, we are not working in any other areas. We are focusing primarily on these areas. So what is Qt Plus?
So, as Sahil rightly said, everybody in this room is having a one or other the bank account. So, talking about the digital banking platform, so as our government and a lot of economy is pushing towards digitalization, we talk and we listened a lot about Skill India. So, we are talking also about the digital India. And in digital India, if I talk about the economy section, so technology plays a major role in the development of the financial ecosystem. So talking about the Qt Plus, what's the idea behind having this Qt Plus? So let's say you want to transfer your money to some or the other beneficiary bank account. Then there is a standard process by the bank as a customer. Let's say if I want to transfer 10,000 rupees to Sahil, I need to add a beneficiary. And then later on, once bank approves that, it takes a process of 4 to 5 hours for adding for a huge amount. Talking about specifically the RTGS factor, the real-time gross settlement, where the value of the ticket transaction is more than 2 lakh of rupees. It takes a lot of maker and checker options at the back end to help and process the transactions. To mitigate this process and to have the security checks and layers, we designed this product, a Qt Plus. What it really caters to, helping you send money to multiple bank accounts at single shot. Moreover, it's a 24/7 platform. Using the methods of traditional banking, we added the technology over it. Let's say RTGS, IMPS, NEFT. So the ecosystem is designed in such a way, it helps in boosting the digital economy. And apart from that, it's really, really secure. So there are data security standards as per the compliance of the RBI, that's Reserve Bank of India. A lot of banks are using our technology at the back end. Let's say HDFC, Axis, ICICI, Kotak. There are major banking partners which we are providing the technology and they're using it pretty good. So talking about the global landscape of India, the ticket size is really huge. It's tremendous. If I talk about the transaction reports, it's more than 207 billion transactions are happening at a global level annually. So catering to the government idea and to the banking technology, this product is designed in such a way that helps each and every individual. Let's say a customer is having a bank account or a payment gateway solution, not only in terms of collection, but in terms of disbursement of payment, it helps in effective management and finance guys. So let's talk about an example. So 31st of July was filing the ITR and a lot of people are paying their ITR to income tax department. So the portal gets really hefty. Sometimes there are challenges that portal is not working, transactions are getting blocked, a customer's bank account is being debited, but the success response is not there. To manage all this, we have designed this product which will help in scaling at a global level.
So I tell you with an example, okay? So what happens if you go to any e-commerce website, and you just place the order and then you need to cancel it right away. Or let's talk about Zomato. Order is not getting delivered on the time and you need to cancel that. When you cancel that, you can most of the people have experienced you are having instant refund in your bank account. Most of the times, like आपने अगर 400 रुपये का खाना मंगाया तो 400 रुपये तभी के तभी आपने कैंसिल किया, वो बंदा पहुंच नहीं पाया टाइम से, वो आप 400 रुपये आपके पास तब तुरंत आ जाता है. How is it possible? How is it possible for a company like if Zomato is cancelling the order and then getting you refunded like on the real time? So there is a particular team, there is a particular product beyond that. So what happens? So customer payouts, cashback, reward and refunds. So instant refunds is basically on the IMPS rail which we have built. So what is the USP of this product? Everybody who's having IMPS, RTGS, NEFT part on your website. Everybody is having net banking? Say yes or no. Everybody is using net banking part. Everybody is using bank account. So, but for an employer, for a company who is using multiple bank accounts, they need to log in on multiple. Let me log in on HDFC. Let me log in on Axis. Let me log in on ICICI, SBI, yes, RBL. What we are doing right now, we are collating all the banks on a single platform. We are collating all the banks APIs on a single platform right now and pushing it to the customers, pushing it to the enterprises right now. So what is the USP? What is the benefit for that? The mainly benefit is that you can have the multiple bank accounts on a single umbrella. You can see all the transaction reports, you can see all the refund reports, all the successful transactions, all the failed transactions, chargebacks, refunds, everything on a single platform. So this is the API. This is a basically API banking integration. There is no dashboard. You will not be able to. You will not be using the another net banking for another XYZ bank accounts. You can have only or one Qt plus dashboard, and you can manage all the bank accounts, XYZ bank accounts in your end. Instant payouts is one of the factor which I just recently just told you. Financial CRMs. Okay. So what financial CRM basically means in detail? Financial CRM basically, so somebody is having your accounts role, somebody is having the customer support role, somebody is having the view only access. So let's say some dispute comes and somebody is calling you कि sir मेरा पेमेंट हो गया, मेरा पेमेंट यहाँ पर अटक गया है, तो आप ये चेक करके बताओ पेमेंट मेरा क्यों अटका है. कभी कभी क्या होता है OTP गलत डाल देते हैं आप लोग, कभी कभी क्या होता है आप CVV गलत डाल देते हैं, कभी कभी क्या होता है नेटवर्क नहीं आता, लिफ्ट में चले गए नेटवर्क नहीं आया. ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स को हम लोग अब अपने एंड पे केटर कर रहे हैं एंड वी आर डूइंग वेरी फाइन इन दैट. वी हैव लाइव विद मल्टीपल मर्चेंट्स राइट नाउ एंड वी आर डूइंग गुड नंबर्स इन दैट एज वेल. Advanced payouts, payout to cards, zero balance, e-bank statements, unlimited deposit and withdrawals. They are much more like you can add the beneficiary on the real time as well. You can download the report, you can download the statement on the real time. And this functionality is very, very fast, faster than the banks net banking right now. So yes, this is one of the use case. So there are a lot of NBFCs, a lot of the loan companies which are disbursing the loans right now. Perfect use case with our product. They can use multiple bank accounts and they can disburse the money on a single click, on a single beneficiary. We can have the maker checker model in which maker can create the payment and checker can approve the payment and the payments get delivered on the real time on the customer or XYZ, whichever.
So taking a loan, be it a car loan or a home loan or an education loan or whatever type of a loan, it's really difficult for an end customer to get certain approvals from the bank. There are a lot of documentation processes involved, which is very hefty process. So payouts, by integrating the technology solution, we have a lot of security checks and compliance check at the back end, where we do the due diligence also. Let's say an Aadhaar verification or a PAN verification, or some kind of case is happening on XYZ person, what exactly is the director's status, whether the company is a shell company or it's a genuine company, the transactions are happening in a suspicious manner or a fraudulent manner. So we do all the authenticity check and authorization checks at the back end. And moreover, adding to one of the major factors to this product is like a neo-banking platform. So might be people in this room are not aware about it. So just let me elaborate about it. Neo-banking platform is like an account aggregator kind of a thing, where you have an SBI account, let's say you have an ICICI net banking, you have an, let's say Kotak net banking. On one single platform, we give you an API integration kit. Just by logging into that platform, you can access all your bank accounts and manage your payments, whether it's an acceptance of a payment or it's a disbursal of a payment.
This is us from our side. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time.
And if you have any questions, so we have our counter outside by the name of QuickPay. Yes, so we have the entire team also available. In case of any assistance or any kind of a knowledge sharing kind of thing, we are happy to help you. Thank you.
Thank you. Over to you, Sumiti.